Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I am super amped up because we have launched the Etsy SEO course. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if you haven't already, head on over to the Facebook group where we are creating a community of like-minded individuals looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. The time has come. We finally launched, y'all. Launched the SEO course. It was a long time coming. Took me some time to get this done. Lots of trials and tribulations here because I was so darn sick. But I do have it up on the course website now. You will see it up there for $50. Fret not, you can get it $25 off. Just use the code 25OFF launch. That will be good for the next 2 weeks. And, you know, who knows? I might extend it further if things are going well. The reason why I'm offering this at such a drop dead low price is because this is a fantastic tool and building block for y'all to utilize to grow your shops. Now, keep in mind, there is not one formula for Etsy SEO that is out there. It's going to be different for everybody. So whatever people are saying out there on the World Wide Web, and they have the exact formula for you to make 8,000 gajillion sales on Etsy, is a load of, well, you know what. So basically, this course will provide you the tools that you need to get your listings and your tags and your titles optimized so that way you can crush it on Etsy. It's going to help you, but you need to be able to put the work in, okay? And the reason why I'm going through all these different tools is because it's going to help you choose which one suits your needs, okay? There's not one that is like the ultimate best out there. They all do similar things. It really just depends on what you are looking for, okay? But you're going to have to put the work in, all right? So on the course website, you'll see this down here. You can go ahead and click on it and it will show you all of the curriculum that is included. So a background on SEO, a background on the tools, how to use these tools for keyword research, understanding and applying Etsy SEO by talking about the algorithm, how long SEO takes, conversion rates, materials and attributes, using Etsy statistics, Google metadata, localization, duplicating listings, A/B testing, all of these different things. And then we'll go through some real-time optimization and how to find trending products. If you keep in mind, as things change, I will be updating the course content. That is why there is not a workbook included with this course, because there's just way too much information. And as things change, it would be too much of a pain in the butt to update that workbook, okay? Etsy, SEO, and SEO in general is continually going to be changing. When you're in the back end, this is what you're going to see with the courses. You have the ability to utilize discussions. And we have this fantastic community here where you can talk about SEO to your heart's content. And this is only for people who are enrolled in the course outside of social media, which is also a really big benefit, okay? And again, there's a content request thing down here if you guys so wish to ask for certain things for me to, dive into, whether it's a new SEO tool or something that you're struggling with on the platform. I'm here to help. The community's here to help, okay? So Etsy SEO course launch, woo! 25 off launch. That will get you the course for $25. And like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below or head on over to the Facebook group where we're creating a community of like-minded individuals looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. Super, super amped up to help you guys out. Super excited to get this course launched. And again, I'm here to help you guys. If you need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out. Again, 25 off launch to get that $25 off of the course. And I will catch y'all on the next video. Shooting Star SVG, signing off.